In this video, I will show you how to use Napkin AI to transform your consulting processes into professional visuals. Let's get started. First, I select blank napkin to open a fresh workspace. I'll paste my text here, which outlines a 5-step client journey for consultants. To turn these words into a graphic, I highlight the text and click the blue lightning bolt icon on the left to generate visuals. In the AI suggestions panel, I can browse through various styles like strategic process flows or engagement maps. Once I find a style I like, I can choose from several different designs within that category. I'll go with this mind map layout. Now I can start editing the visual to match my brand. I'll change the font for a more polished look. By clicking Ungroup, I can move each element freely to perfect the layout. Next, I'll adjust the colors, changing this section to a bright yellow. I'll also add an icon from the library, like this growth symbol, to make the steps more visually engaging. When the design is finished, I click the Export button, select PNG, and download the high-quality file to use in my next proposal. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for freelancers and consultants.